Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change Volvo XC40 wiper blades. Start by unlocking the wiper arm latch and lifting the arm away from the windshield until it stays upright. Remove the old blade by pressing the release tab and sliding the blade off the hook. Clean the lower windshield area and inspect the arm for damage before fitting the new blade with a firm click to ensure secure attachment. Begin removal by lifting the wiper arm and identifying the plastic release tab on the blade connector. Press the tab while sliding the blade away from the hook until it detaches. Support the raised arm to prevent it from snapping back onto the glass. Dispose of the old blade and clean any debris from the arm pivot. This helps ensure smooth operation and prevent scratches when installing the new wiper blade later on. To install, align the replacement blade's adapter with the hook and push it upward until you hear a distinct click. Tug gently on the blade to make sure it is locked. Repeat the process for the second wiper blade, checking both for symmetrical fit and correct orientation. Once both blades are in place, lower the arms carefully and test the washers and wipers on low speed to confirm proper contact and streak-free wiping across the windshield.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.